Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python with the help of AI. Learning Python can be an exciting journey, and with artificial intelligence as your guide, it becomes incredibly efficient. AI tools offer a personalized approach, tailoring content to your specific needs. You can leverage AI to generate countless code examples, receive clear explanations for complex topics, and even get assistance with debugging your scripts. This powerful combination accelerates your understanding and practical application of Python concepts, making your learning experience truly unique and effective. One of the most powerful ways AI assists in learning Python is through its ability to generate and explain code. Imagine needing a specific function. Simply describe it to an AI, and it can provide a working example in seconds. Beyond generation, AI can dissect intricate Python concepts, offering clear, step-by-step explanations that clarify even the most challenging topics. It can also help you understand existing code by breaking it into manageable sections, providing insights into its structure and purpose, and even suggesting alternative approaches. Debugging is a crucial part of programming, and AI can be an invaluable partner in this process. When you encounter an error in your Python code, simply paste it into an AI tool. It can often provide an immediate solution or pinpoint the exact location of the issue. More than just fixing syntax, AI can help identify logical flaws, offering suggestions to improve your code's efficiency and correctness. This not only resolves immediate problems, but also teaches you better coding practices, helping you understand error messages and prevent future mistakes. As you progress in your Python journey, AI continues to be a powerful ally. It can help you brainstorm and outline complex project ideas, providing a solid foundation for your development. You can also receive constructive feedback on your project's structure and design, ensuring you build robust and scalable applications. Furthermore, AI can guide you through advanced Python libraries and frameworks, offering insights and examples. It can even assist in preparing for technical interviews by generating relevant questions and helping you formulate clear, concise answers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.